ndị baye kene mu no Igbo ndọma njem ọnụ biko. Ịbịa na ya na video ihe na-akpọtụ na Facebook and everywhere kita bụ maka Jpac na Aunty Oge. Jpac achọgo Aunty Oge okwu, ọ chọghị okwu too much. So ya mere Aunty Oge ji wee na-ewiwe si na whoever word that na go expose Jpac from A to Z. Ihe niile ọ gwala, ihe ma and to make everything worse is that Aunty Oge na-ekwu na-ewefute evidence. And Jpac abịabekwa mbịazala ọnya since then ka ịmanụrụ ma ịmagoko okwuo na nke a bụ asị ma ọ na nke a bụ eziokwu. Ọ just no bakpolo ọrịa n'ụmụ na ọ chọghị ikwu okwu. Mana ka watch go the video ahụ ka ifukwuo ihe n'ịcha Aunty Oge kwu. Ngwa gee ntị biko echefukwana ka subscribe or comment ma like ya. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the angle you guys are watching me from. Good morning. If you come across my video, do me one favor to share it to your neighbor, to your brothers, to your sister, to anyone who cares or to anyone who does not care. Please, I would like you to distribute the video as many as you can. Thank you for joining. Money. Share the video. Please, I'm just looking at the hospital that we are building. So I'm just watching it now because I just saw the message right now. So let's watch it together. Let us watch it together. Hey, Chi, the pressure. So my sister from another mother. So join me. Let us watch it together before we join the main program. Bring your loved ones. Bring your loved ones close. Bring your loved ones close. Bring your haters close. Share it to them. Share the message to your haters. Share it to Manda like a honey, Manda like a honey. So let me take you around. Watch here, the hospital we are building for the less privileged. The first thing we are bringing to the east. The same hospital, the propaganda that I have used it, that I have converted this place as my own personal challenge. This is that particular place. Many rumors has it that I have converted my personal challenge. The water go? That all the money contributed to me, neighbor, and I made good the money. This is that particular place. I want to get that everything these people label against me are all propaganda lies, just to damage my reputation. I'm keeping quiet that you're carrying my name everywhere does not mean that I'm ignoring you. Benga bera game buge buga and wanna me spare. So what I go? So these are the places. This is the hospital. The propaganda that have eaten the money, use the place, use it for my own personal needs. This is the same place. The propaganda that Ogechi convert there to her personal challenge. There is no hospital. There is nothing that I'm building. There is nothing like hospital. So now, I want, please share on this video. You can remember the signboard, right? It's still there. What an irony of life. So let me take you guys around to tell you where we are right now. We have spent more than 25 million naira. These little things we are doing. Nigeria cost of building material now is not your mate. Nigeria cost of building material at this moment, we have spent over 25 million naira these few days and few weeks we started. So I would like you to watch this with me. This is the bone of contention why people are fighting me to nail that Ogechi that I cannot build this particular hospital. That one is they formulated another lies. So this is the live handed this morning. So I did not watch it. I want us to watch it with me before I start the main program. Yes, share with this program because share with the video because today I will be Jericho or Gada. Tag ex-convict, tag Jpac, tag Ashawoman, tag ex-convict, tag Jpac, tag all of them that will be Jericho Gada today. Yeah, watch us do what we do, guys. I can't wait to see this thing. I can't wait to visit this place live. I can't wait to visit this hospital. Make your video. You want to go? Hell, you didn't know. You're welcome, my brother. Princess, I see you. See all of you. Now, the same place I can convert to go to my own challenge. You want to go? This is the place. Now that place, I'm actually Ogechi Igbo. Ogechi scam one and Igbo. Ogechi Igbo. When had the time we one criminal in South Africa, Jinrie, some people go on. But in essence, there is somebody there, not for somebody $100. One criminal mortuary bomb, not for somebody $100. No get you the Igbo. Nayagara there, national way head the hospital. This is the same place actually went on. The way the hospital. No convert Yalaya to Chalate. Some gullible people are believing the Sakura Ogechi. Oh my goodness. So let us watch. I watch, yeah? What? We have spent over 25 million. Since I did these few things I never knew that Nigeria cost of material is this much. Now we get here. I move inside. It cost 2 point something million. Could you believe it? Now we get here. Kuturu now. Move all inside. It cost 2 point something million. Could you believe it? Could you believe it? Only I'm not talking to people. I'm not talking to those that cannot afford one block. Those are not the one I'm referring to. I'm talking to those people that spending money at this critical time in Nigeria. They can be only the people that can relate to him. Whatever. I want those soon and down, man. And they will not understand what I'm saying. All these prostitutes, they will not understand what I'm saying. The only people that will relate to my understanding and my explanation are people that are in the building material now. Those are the people that will understand when I say I have spent 25 million. It's not a joke. That I spent just a gate 2 point something million. Yes, they will relate with what I'm saying. I want you to block. They will not. You want to go? Those are the only people who can understand what I am telling you now. So, Najizire Grace Egono. That Oya be block Obiana Koeri. Now Koeri. What when they are still living past glory when cement is 2,000, 4,000. So one bag of cement is 10,000. Well, as I'm current situation, if you know what it got illegal now. Because as dollar they increase, things keep increasing on a daily basis. So this is the hospital. This is one building for us. So that no woman, and when any woman again, that if she did not afford, oh, my doctor, fortunate, may you live long. And when any other woman, because I don't have money, I cannot be able to deliver. And when any woman, fibroid, we are building doctor's quarters in here as well. We are building security. So, and when we got there again, with people that will attend to you in these premises, you're gonna see staff quarters. Here. That is the plan. After security house, we start building staff quarters at the same time. Midwife will be available, doctors will be available, lab technician will be available. Those are the two people who gonna know 24 hours in this particular place. So that if you have an emergency, nobody will say doctor is not available. We cannot operate. No. Only the good heart of Igbo are the people that Ogechi Okeke criminal. Imagine somebody just gonna get cigarette. Na muwa biara biagba na mpamu na ore epumu. Could you imagine? Hi, Chineke, the day go starting. The day go starting. I don't anybody go tell me so get is okay. Because I just got that evidence. Because I know my law without evidence. I'm not. I got a feel ya. What I go? It is settled. We move. Thank you, Dr. Fortunate. What I go? Somebody propaganda. Namshina, my father raped me. We tell the video. We tell them Kuria. Namshina, my father caused me. We tell the video. We tell them Kuria. Just to carry propaganda. Right? Hey. I guess so. Hey, in they wait, problem they find and they come. So guys, please share this video. 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 Yeah, with that particular hospital I started. Ejiri, Popumukoto. Ejiri, over their dead body will Ogechi survive. Yeah, the same place I'm building. Ejiri gather 4 more groups. She Ogechi can never. And when all the propaganda, they have to write and forge everything by him. People that matter. We don't have connection. I don't have anybody in Nigeria. Nda Burumuga courts. No Gechi. Namjikura Ron got fraudulent NGO. Namjikura Naga confiscate. Oh God. When a zeal, when a determination to face anything. That is what you should be praying for. A child like me that can stand and face anything. Let you have somebody like me. Because even some men in Igbo, this blew up. Even a woman, 90% of men cannot stand the intimidation that this blew up. If it's not for people like us, somebody like me that can stand every odd. Be you who that can stand and face anything feasible. Do not have a child that look for shoulder to lay on. No. Anything comes your way, you are willing to stand and defeat it. And when you hear me for me to quit. And when you hear me for him, or propaganda, or lies, or tormenting, or grouping, I'll send the portal. Tell me what I have not been through. Tell me. That person that can stand. Other people, they don't want to enter here. That this place will no enter zone. That is what you should pray for. Are we gonna pray? The brain I know issue. Almost 80% of people near me had their idea on Facebook. Forget say Tana Aleluna Walosa. More brain, my reasoning, my thinking, my creativity. Forget Ihoku Mere Biafra. Forget Ihoku Mere Biafra. What I go? Stand, no fear. Onybody could give fear. Ni mega kotu ya get out of my way. Let me move. Oh, he gonna get chineke na get no. Don't worry, trials will come. The guy is okay. What a zowanke ya won jaw. And when what an azonke and azan homa. And when any child na zoke and azan homa. Because you Hana begade so. Hana choke gana choha. No child in azanke and azan homa. You must be a bad person. Yeah. Because you refuse to be subjected to their intimidation and humiliation. You'll be a bad person, especially in Nigeria, where women and honor, where they almost the laws they made is to suppress women by all means. You're not talking, you're not supposed to talk. Who are you? You want to go? You want to mean? Let me block you. I'm not here to mess with idiots. Oh, comment here, comment here again. Joseph, whatever, comment here again. You want to go? I want you to comment again. I want to block you. Because comment here is triple amaka. You want to go? They cannot even stand. One thing. I'm going to shake you. No. When put lies, when put the propaganda, Ogechi Okeke be true. You want to go? I remember when I was running the program. I was at Ezugo platform that day. Made a mistake with the phone Mbana bathroom. Gonna run conduct program. This is a mistake, Philip. Thank God, he had just a bikini bot. He had even Nigeria Hanaba, even Gile this Nos Mirage. Okay, I said for water puta. Kemade who them clear like kemade the war prebo. Hey, okay, look at Nda. Look at Nda. Look at Nda to picture life from our Sam. You want to go? Picture life from our Sam. When I got put the show Ogechi, he may put out the send the alarm. He may put a care out the 30,000 me. What to picture life from anyone to pour. Very clean. Kena BG na pekri umaka gari yi pebi bikini. So mjiri bikini na J to the lake. Get with bikini that place. She you never see anything. That's material lo gato no naka. Mwa. Watch it. You know how no. The only people I got chum are people that have people name it others. And they feel that somebody like me can make them. You want to go? I feel that somebody like, oh, Bula, the people gonna home as a terror. Because I Joroma Jugi make them. I Jorum for you to intimidate me. I Jorum for me to be subjected to propagandas and lie. Let us come on social media and destroy her with fake information. So she will run away and nobody will value her. Everything with expiration date, believe it or not. Anything in this life with expiration date. There is a time all these propagandas will expire. And people will get tired of, even they have already gotten tired. Everything with a limitation time. You know, they will get tired of your repeatable lies. Let's finish this thing before my buy into ex-convict now. Now that's where belly face. Guys, with the share figure, let the propaganda turn on the place. Because that chuomo, even report on the place in mega everywhere problem. People get and spend their money. She have no problem. You know like I go shame. Anything I will like I go koshebe. And when you are them man akusam, there must be triumphs, there must be trials, there must be problem on the way. But to stand to stand and overcome those things. Hold on, let me block up. Good. Oh yeah, Otila. Let's go. There's the place. Yes, Ogechi is still standing, building it with our full chase. Because the majority of them who work money, they cannot do what I'm doing. So they have to destroy it to make a point. You should first of all, okay, Edward, you should first of all pity your useless life before you pity a man that is highly informed, more educated. Until I'm going to get put on away, again, when somebody like Dr. Ugochukwu, a man who or general now, a piano another rank, you can never, even a puna that mentioned my husband's name, until young Macoloralum Bo, Mandana, Mandiga again. None of Ugochukwu, Dr. Ugochukwu in your generation. You should go and pity your life. You cannot pity a man. You can't. Until generation to generation. You got the general doctor. Another profession that I don't want to mention. Ugochukwu. Now lie. A man with even his quiet. There is peace. You can never be like him. How can I go na go? How should I, baby? Now I go carry on na mono. How can I go? Because you want the brain. Idiot. Chenogochukwu is like your brothers and sisters. Do you think that with Dr. Gochukwu is like that? Doc ain't with time. Tarnishing. Idiot. You get pity on you. It takes a real man to handle somebody like me. It takes men that want it. That is on top their command. I walk by slow. I better go to 12 midnight. Even if I come by Hashimoge, go and make food, I go. That's what it takes. You can't handle somebody like him because you're weak now. That's why you guys are afraid of people like me. You guys, you weak men are afraid of someone like me. Because you can't handle me. I am too big for now. You man, you the kind of woman that cannot bend for you. Because you're too weak. You're weak. That's why you see people like us like threats. Why wouldn't you be afraid? Because you eat the weak. You don't even have the guts. You know the guts. You are too weak. It's only women that can do personalities like us. And that's natural because we are priceless. Souls like us are priceless. You know, on them petem. Dala, you have to be men that will command no matter. Actually, no matter what you are, no matter what you are, so you matter he didn't do. You don't understand because you were a weak man. You don't have what it takes. You're not a warrior. And you can never be. You're too weak. So you should pity your weakness, not my husband, not Dr. General. You go very soon. You got I need to go. I'm somebody like my husband. Yeah. Close working because your mother that gave back to you she's very hopeless. Also, men are not men do not exchange words with women. That's why those men they don't want anything. Men are may change of words with women. Oh, Omga Kushirigi. Let me go tell you where you belong. See why I told you that you're too weak. Come on, fuck off, idiots. Now, you guys will carry propaganda in this hospital because you guys cannot do it. What useless men like you that can get what I'm doing cannot do, I am doing it. And you guys are so intimidated by it. It is okay. I understand. It's quite unfortunate. What I go? On a pen. It can pen. Or can no shower wonder. They way brain. All these are showers. Potara ichi jegaba akuna. Bachakuna. Hey, chana mona hano the same lane. And when a brain. You know an issue brain akuna na. Brain is fake here. Brain at the express. They can't do anything. They can't even change nothing. I'll have a with them on. They can't kupu. They can't kupu. People that are intimidated. Oh my puna. Uche hawe behaga na aba puna. Nda ka bleach ha bara puna na Malaysia. Bara puna na different part of the world. Garia the whole world. All four corners of the world. Gawari ibu ha. Ebe brain ha no ibu. They can't function. They cannot. They don't have the guts. Huh? How can I understand? But different spam about you go ginishi. You can't even build yourself. Weakness. Useless women. That have nothing to contribute. Just piece of shit. And what I go? So relax. I'm gonna put in me here. And I'm ajibu before Neri. You what I go? How every day is my day when I'm seeing Chineka Bogo. How every day is my day. Have you ever? And when I'm big up on social media, every day is my day. That is why I'm the reigning king, the reigning queen. You must know me. You wonyara. Every day you must know me. Even then, every day. And when you work every morning, and Ogechi this, Ogechi, because they are weak men. I'm the bone of contention. In our water. Then I am the corner. You want to go? Ndala. You know, there are men that don't have a job. I am their job. Oh, Galicia with their job. Ndala. Come on, every November. Every day from January to December. When you have a choice. Alice, Alan, you a bastard. You wanted to ask me evidence. Who are you? All the lies you've been telling on Facebook, do you have the evidence? You would only to question me. Now my evidence. You want come on, Susupa, give me your when you're la putawaye kuoku. Onye ke shifu be, onye ka safu be bossa sia. Otu onye po, otu ori abuga na anyum manyete. Ai. Ebe here, everybody release tension. Imebe jagwa your infection. Ima kona police station or hospital jagwa infection. I'll give you anugam hitiga. Ke para toilet infection or ke para syphilis or ke ba head abuga on or orient ba jamu. Ya pray, let me go to Ogechi platform. As I'm in pain when I hear her voice, he go release me. Emo your open. In a judgment evidence. Tonda baburugin. Wonye. Aton. Not in a evidence. In evidence. Come and suck it from me now. Dala. There were there. Dala. Oh, China, that place soon to convert yala. That doesn't exist. Mechazie here, Ogwe Prisi Oko. asking na convert go. Na America go. Na America go. Na America go. Yeah, the hospital. Yeah. America go. Yeah, the place and they bring propaganda. Oh, yeah, go. Ah. Inga, baby. My Inga. Inga. Inga, Beke. My sweet sister. Love you, sex.
Yeah, cool. How big are you? Yeah, I'm still doing that. So, when I do that tomorrow, so we're starting our security house tomorrow. We're starting our security house tomorrow. So we're starting it here. Ogechi Okeke check-in, but chipping a balance.
God bless you too, my sis.
So we're starting it here by tomorrow. The security house. We're starting the foundation tomorrow. So, okay, thank you very much for watching, and God bless you all.
Okay. Yeah, I will just to watch it with you guys because I did not watch it when they made this program. I watch them, yeah. Now, it's not Amaka Dora Shigan. That idiot Ochaka Mbupute again. Osunram. Osunram. Apunenwe garage. Apunenwe garage. Ali did not talk again. Maybe you got next version of. Oh, the idiot. Nwoke muna yomo. Yana ragide the man up welu. The man had to run away. Kapuru yo almost how many children? Canada na ko yo go maj. Hane maza. Yana umunne ya. Ochoro kam putara. The idiot. Yana nwanne nwani wi hu eshenta model na Nigeria gare chamu. I will send you the voice note. Are you really serious? Send it to me. Or would there shower Baralap that could not go and bury her own mother? Ya wouldn't walk her match ya up. Kogar. A reject who shant model one near. Ya no reba paramoke. Idiot, laburo. Laburo. Mother haga mabugin. Anyway, it was many reasons. Call that ex-convict. Call that also. And I want ex-convicts. And I want tag share this video. Call that also ex-convicts. You came out yesterday. You was ranting and giving people false information. Need to put a the person that went to bail first and foremost, share this video when information injury. Jpac, you know, somebody that I respect so much contacted me to allow you to rest. Because that I should let you be. Because if an am about the person open, I can't call my pocket and I lie until Onyeka Kalisia. Mashi okay. But I can see that you don't want to listen. So you want the temerity to start calling content creators. Only Genyego to Sagami. You want the gods to start calling content creators to Sagami. Nigenye ndikwe 500,000. Na haputa. You guys were in conference call yesterday. Some of the reasonable ones actually nige kuli here this woman you put nam jev. There's evidence. Anyway, poromo. But even evidence no more share no more kre. No matter kamishi pokoro. So you started giving 500,000. Now kwe manager to make a wedding they go there. Jpac. Like I normally tell people that this is you. Now, let me play one of your voice record. I want to play one of your voice record. When you are with me, how you beg people to come and saga for you. You know, nobody uses me. People cannot use me. I am too... Come on, man, use Ugi. Instead of man who use her. Because one fee and they use you. What I go? I want to play one voice. Oh, yeah, I know how connect is it to my WhatsApp. I don't know why. But I believe you will hear it. Guys, share this video. You went and called content creators. And you guys know, Uncle IB, who register is, Uncle IB will have further creator. Uno should not plan how to sue pen. Excuse me, oh. Who are the people that will sue me? Who are the people get sue me? Ndole the content creators. Hey, the way am I gonna follow what? That's who no plan how to sue me. Okay, but I'm nigga oh yeah. You will not live to see it. Oh yeah, Otilo. Oh yeah, Otilo. Now say by the war, can you get play? So you are now selling people to why can't you use your mouth to warn me? You said you need just to make your wedding. Nature whole war. Wait oh, give me the wedding keep post through Basarako. Nako, na suspension. You are warring. So Kezi Koji Uni him Gana Warsaw. Now, why are you telling other content creators to warn me? Need get here 500,000 for her to come and warn me. Nah, you don't need to be paying money. Come out. It walk one you It walk one you Like I said, they're damaging information on your head, and you know it. And you know it. So telling people that you're going to pay them to warn me, I don't go from your plan. But then they send all false information about my mother and my dad, which you know nothing about. Now I know that you are the bone of contention. Or again, would the main bone of contention. This that you are the architects. No give with the bone of contention with all this rumor. Now you carry and give Ken. Now you carry and all these lies. Now you carry them. Mpame bromono. Mpam jikura repuomo. Mpamu jikura mjikura ubari mpamu. We tell you where I said it. Bring where I said it. Wait oh. On a plan isumu. On what ground if I may? In fact, I welcome on a sue. Some of you guys want to brain she nege kulia. Nige kulia. Hebido. Now upon at the conference call it did some idiots when we go come make I use them boy Jpac. Come destroy their life. Come destroy their remaining life. This blew up. Some of them here will blue life. Come scatter. Putano. I don't hear on a plan. No. I don't hear how they plan them for WhatsApp group. What I go? I don't hear how they plan them. So make all of you. I'm no one could I be on a headquarter. No vice, no young president. So Uncle IB, I have had message. Now carry the trophy. Brew the staff of authority. Because I know you a demon from the day one. And I beg up against you hotion and I kujiri high. On your 10,000 get you something that you can turn on YouTube. Everybody watch you. Get call her. Something you can use yourself. Sit down. Turn on YouTube. YouTube how to do all this to my useless, hungry content creating job. Simple thing. Uncle Abi, where I go 10,000 aho. Ana toroge biasu unegi. Biasu ihuga ngeji hama kujie the remaining side for afo. Come and sue unegi. Leader alpha mega meeting. Puta. And I'm sure going with their president. Every day. You keep scanning them. Can't you teach it to them for free on your mind? Anybody get teaching the matter for free? Can you gather those boys? What? In a free mayor life program or conquer? Uno with the most criminal people I have ever seen in my life. You know, I told you to get your uno na plan in a meeting. Jpac or soon again. My man, Uncle IB, now anybody that even buy those rubbish. Unanesu, ndeni neboga ifanye uba all around of the world. Una never see them. No get you in one cause. Hey, nah, I go on Facebook on Akuno is the insult of modern and waiting at this blue app. I go on Facebook on Akuno, Who the okay? Before me visit the doctor, me visit Bundegoya Otila. What I go? So, Uncle IB, you are the architect. On a meeting yesterday, all charge and bear is content creators. Before the game myself, I'm a boss of ish. For the game myself, they are hungry. As me looking at them. What will you guys do to me? So, Uncle IB, you gather people every year. Or every 2 months, I don't like 10,000. Things he get teaching her for free. You are scamming them, robbing them, hard and money. Umaka who pay you. I shouldn't name him. Can you name me? Can you name me? If I may ask you. So this is your 10,000 and roge. Get your gather to come and sue me. Okay? Go look for your account. I hope I'm in dying and deceive you. I hope I'm very, I don't like you. You don't like me, I don't like you. You were a demon, you uncle. You're by who giri. I'll be who suri. So, all this you're gathering, you're forming in a metre Jpac. In a metre Jpac, berry. Is it not what Jpac told me? In a metre berry, under what circumstances? So, here I need no plan. Jpac in the send here national Pota. For those of you that say Jpac, the web face is not responding to me. He is responding, but I'm not going to be some would nothing but the truth. So all this your 500,000 or 300,000 save where Jiraka Gebia. Because anyone who can make me face Iggy. Now, I want to play a voice note. This has been you. This has been how you operate. This has been the way you operate. Again, that's the same thing. Now, come play the voice so you go hear him. Gente. Gente.
Said they do chat Ella. Said they do chat Ella. Ella where lie. Said they do chat Ella. Kela ore. Yeah, I got I'm a chisum. If we work here around the room, say for there was a bed. You said that you chat to Ella, said that you chat to Ella, Ella, where I lie. Said that you chat to Ella. Kela ore. Yeah, I got I'm a chisum. If we work here around the room, say for there was a bed. You said that you chat to Ella, said that you chat to Ella, Ella, where I lie. Said that you chat to Ella.
Am I gonna show you the picture now? Those are my war material in due time. Am I gonna show you the picture where she's lying down on the bed with the man? Am I gonna show you? No. But I just want to let you know that Jpac, your pattern of Igbo saga is what I have already known. What I have already known and your system. So when I got the information yesterday, I knew your pattern. When I got A, B, C, D. But you cannot even tell my ways of movement. So I know you too well. Ota, this is you. So the information I got yesterday, I don't want to play some voice notes because the voice of some people will contradict. So that means they will not trust me anymore. Able on a conference call. Yes. Okay, man, Ogechi, I'm everywhere. I'm everywhere. So I told me player deka people somebody confided in me. Recorded conversation on a meeting. Maybe player. No, I don't want to do it. That on a conference call I hold yesterday. Now planning. For the one brain. An apple. For the one brain an apple. Let Jpac use any of you and come out. I will leave Jpac and face you. Face you, radically face you. Try ya. Pota. Uncle J, Uncle IB. Plan very well. Oh. So guess who makes you nigga. That's on a conversation. That conference call yesterday. I'm a tune. So when I got it, I laughed. Because I'm going to how you plan. I said it yesterday that you'll be going in post looking for people to help you. The 500,000 ipuga na your business. I don't give a fuck. But to let that person just out. Listen again, oh. This is how you. Nobody tells me what to do. What to do? Who to send, what to use and do saga. I come out saga when I'm fully fortified. Because when I peg with evidence. And I'm not saga because when I no. Guys, share this video. Share this video because him gave me ex-convict today. Okay, Chetebon around. Now the last small girl on. Can't you?
Yeah, I'm a chisum. If we work here around the room, say for there was a bed. You said that you chat to Ella, said that you chat to Ella, Ella, where I lie. Said that you chat to Ella, Ella, where yeah, I'm a chisum. If we work here around the room, say for there was a bed. You said that you chat to Ella, said that you chat to Ella, Ella, where I lie. Said that you chat to Ella, Ella, where
I'm the pattern how you operate. You go for people to do your rubbish. And when you had a wedding, this has been the way you operate. You want to go? Yeah, how you operate. But I'm that Ogechi, all those your useless content creators that you can be able to manipulate. Let them come out. Come up your face here. That is how it works. So, on a meeting yesterday, I got all the information. But okay, they are aware. Now you know about also. I don't know why you're running, hiding, telling people to come and be your rescue, to come and be your savior. I don't know. I don't know why you cannot stand and face your shit as a man. And you know, get challenge. And I will repeat it again. Jpac, go and get your doctor. It's simple. I don't social media. Ebe bro madu now HIV positive. Onya ha pota doctor. Around no ya test me ya. Ya wuru no the negative. Now that this video has gone viral, both to my Twitter, my Instagram, my TikTok, your name, everywhere, everybody believe you, yo. 80% of people, they believe you here. Few. Come and prove those 80% wrong. That Anahana Ginike by getting a doctor, and you Ginike. Simple case. All this baguza, Ogechi here, I will just enter inside. Do it and save your life. All this paying 500,000. Looking for somebody that will help you. Now, ex-convict, get your miserable one eye left eye in here. Take that ex-convict. Yesterday, you came out for people to see you. Chere? Despite that I got to look now. Despite that I got to all this now. In a video, gili hugi. Despite that I got to all this oporoko. Let the nature of this oporoko. Package here again. You resemble Ilegina. Go and watch your program. Go and see your face. You see how oporoko wrinkles. You see how you fold chan. Red dry. You know what oporoko now? Despite the tackle, this is how you are. There is no life remaining in your life. Despite that I hear it this is you. In my video, what I mean? This didn't mean who Ogechi Jpac is no brother. When you question people are now, because so me hearing. Elegi layer, there is a problem. Give me a long way. We're all to Okotoma by your side. For your own good, okay, matter your condition. Go and watch it. How your body fold and dry like a dry oporoko. That is who you are. God, that's if I'm lying, let people watch again. For those of you that have not paid you attention. So when they are watching you, and now watch again. They will understand what I'm saying. Come back. As your condition, they go eh? You are a demon. That is how demons look. Witches and wizards and abali. You want to go? Witches and wizards and abali. So, out of your age, your ridicule ass oboroko body, Jpac can 500,000. So, out of all the content creators, he was trying to manipulate. Sorry, he was trying to manipulate. Yawuruki that he was able to manipulate. Shocking dry fish. You are I get that 1 naira come. See, any man money can buy all this, all the Igbo who you compare money. Or Igbo. Show me your friends, I will tell you who you are. Any man that 1 naira 500,000, 1 million can buy is a useless, hopeless man. Because you don't have integrity. You do not have integrity. That is why Jpac were able to convince you out of all the content creators that decided, I believe that this woman, he was able to maneuver you. Don't be selling issue. You were hopeless idiots. Excuse me. Did I hear you say you want to call for peace? Did I hear you say, let there be peace? Now let's listen to your vagabonds. Let's listen to your trash yesterday. Let's see whether you're calling for peace or you just want to come and show. Let's hear from you whether you are calling for peace or you're clamoring for war. Let's go to ex-convict platform. All I need you to do is just to share the program. Make call for peace. I'm going to bury you to 500,000 I collector. Jiazu Boroko dry kun. Jiazu more Oboroko and dry more. You want to go? Let's go. Let's go to your platform. Can you make this smoke? Check the program you run, you come back every today. Dance. This your noisy. The thing irritates me.
This is from me.
Yes.
To pay respect. Alabo. Some police station around CMS in Lagos. After CMS, as if you are going to Ireland. I've reduced the music. If it's possible, you tell me. If the music is still disturbing, you tell me, I will drop the call. So,
Okay.
I got back and a policeman picked and told me the police station in Zone 2, Police Command, Lagos State, where they have AIG. Everything I am saying, you have access to the police. Go and verify. If they are lies, don't ever believe Governor Ezioku. Don't believe even my offsprings. But if I am saying the truth, don't also respect me. No problem. Keep it somewhere that you have heard the truth from Governor Ezioku. Now, for some days now, let me off the music so that you can hear me. For some days now, as Jpac said on his live video a few nights ago, I've always been on him on the call and asked him to keep quiet. Never to react, to respond. And even as at yesterday, today, I have continued doing this. He said it on live camera. So after I got that call and had the address, I jotted it down. The next thing that happened was Jpac used to have a girlfriend of whom I am not insulting right now. She equally placed a call across to me and told me the same thing. That Jpac went to a place where they invited him. Somebody called him, they were tracking him, and said that he just saw Jpac, that Jpac should come.
Oboroko is speaking. Try Oboroko is speaking.
As a job, they want to give him an MC job. Before the grave of my mother, this was what I heard. Jpac was arrested. This was the second call I got from his girlfriend there. So I said, all right, there's no problem. What is the matter? She could not say much. And the next day morning, I kept calling. And his lines were not going. So I had to still call the lady again. She made mention of the same police command. And I booked my tickets. And that of my brother, Emeka, who happens to be my cousin. The both of us were in Port Harcourt. I boarded flight. And I landed Lagos with my brother Emeka. We landed Lagos. A blogger, I wouldn't want to call his name. I was the one who also called that one, and he came.
Very nonsense dry meat.
Who Jpac also helps to promote his page, but today he happens to be Jpac's enemy.
The man the promoter
Listen to me carefully.
that.
So I got to the police station. All of you know Zone 2, they have AIG.
Oh yeah, they go me pegano, they go on other.
Assistant Inspector General of Police, one fell man.
Dry talking, nothing is coming out
So
of
when I
it. They
got
call
there,
me.
they collected my phone because you must submit your phone before you enter inside. So I entered inside.
They buy again, they go up with on. Yo.
I came out again to have access to my phone to take calls.
Useless man.
My
guys, some drop one here.
The IPO's name is Supol Owalaka by name, who happens to be a good man also. And another fair, tall Anambra man, that one is also a DSP, who was the commander of the particular team that arrested Jpac that day. So when I got there, I now heard the matter. I said I want to see Jpac. So they brought me, I saw Jpac, and Jpac briefed me that it is the issue, the videos he posted about Jasmine. Listen to me carefully. I said, all right. I went to the commander and discussed with him. They brought Jpac out from the counter where he was sitting, another place. If you know that place, they have only offices and the cell is inside. So Jpac was kept where they do this thumbprinting. This was where I met him. So they brought him, I encouraged the police there, they brought him. He now sat with me and Supo Walaka, who paid attention, and the man's concern was on how to resolve the issue. So, the tall man,
I don't know why you guys are laughing now.
The man said that the IPO should call.
Hey, that's not getting arrested. Imagine.
Hence, I am here.
Imagine.
They called Jasmine. Jasmine did not come for over an hour. I waited. And ideas were coming that that video was wrong. It was wrong. While they were trying to amend the charges, the lawyer of Jasmine came. And they were trying all possibilities to drag the matter to court. Along the line, I now considered myself that hence the video is the problem. I explained to Jpac while he was sitting with me one-on-one. Tell the police to hand over your phone to me. Let's know what we can do. So that the evidence of that particular video we are talking about online was still on Jpac's page. So Jpac accepted and approached the man. We now told the policeman clearly to please give us the phone, hand over the phone to me. I behaved as if I'm about leaving, but we needed his phone for his business. So while we were talking about that, the man accepted and it was written, Jpac signed. Jpac knew that I cannot operate the phone there. Already he has given me the password of the phone.
Again with this dry meat.
So that he needs drinking water and food. The phone has been handed over to me. The details of these signatures are still at the police. They are all verifiable. That's why I said you can verify. I collected the phone and I left outside. I went outside. I bought water and I did not buy food. I deleted that video. Go and check if you are intelligent on the internet.
Idiots. Because I need to give 5 million.
Be in custody
I
and videos
don't.
will be
Hey, Akwabeke, Warlord.
his page.
The rugged
So
you.
I was the one who deleted
They
that
scatter
particular
and
video
destroy.
myself. Not even Jpac. So that the evidence
No,
will not be there.
call this
While I approached this lady, Jasmine, the evidence and the pains will no longer be there, bullying her heart or her conscience.
The good Hunyana Koyeri. First lady. All this story, because your name was involved in this story. Because if you have opportunity, I want you to call. I want to ask you some questions. Oh, I'm trying to because you are involved in this video on narrative. Because would you do me just a favor? I want to ask you just 1 or 2 questions. Okay. Can you call my WhatsApp, because First Lady? There is something that I want to ask you because please, I would like you to call me because for clarity's sake, now this, but he did not want to mention you. You want to go? Please, for clarity's sake, because how deny you this ex-convict is not please pick up my call with all due respect. Because Nemo. Pick my call because all will get with that girlfriend you make sure. You see how they are trying all possible best to cover the truth. But I'm a mistake meet when they come. Karen, First Lady, because Nebogodi mama didn't hear him just say Vogi because Bogodi my WhatsApp because I didn't hear him just say Vogi beg. Hey PJ Boroma on the me PJ I'll call you back. Okay, oh yeah, we okay, I don't know this. Okay. Elonne. Good afternoon, Wanyama. Sorry that I'm bringing you back to this, but what I go any day something like this, I will still call your attention because Jpac arrest. How did Akko get involved?
I was the one that called Akko.
Okay.
To inquire the situation of things in Yemen.
Okay.
Because when Jpac arrest I was the first person up because I'm not your phone man and he managed to get a phone.
Okay.
In a cell
okay.
One. So I contacted Jpac I contacted like 2 people. I told me for her.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Then I was the one that called CNN there on then Jpac did not tell me but I just the same now call Jasmine.
Okay.
If I call so Akko and that Jpac friend started making necessary arrangements. Okay. At that thing. So I could pay the good role. I was even disturbing him concerning this. He really much as they send their lawyer now. So I don't even like this, just that I just want to stay on my lane. I told me they involved. But when no not that video, you will go in because I'm not beyond that
Thank you.
I don't want to talk. So only God knows. Jpac no more knows who people who were there for him. But Jasmine no arrested there. Jpac knew. He knew the roles I could play. Now that's his release. He knew that. So so when you
because this ex-convict potara na kezimgbe akujiri get involved na ihe basara Jpac.
So who now made the payment?
Oh my God! Because ex-convict has came out to claim the chief staff of releasing Jpac. I could pay 1.1 million naira. The first payment was 500,000. The second payment was 300 and something thousand. The third was 350,000. I could marry twice, which is 1.1 million. Continue.
This whole issue.
Gonna happen to us this blew up.
Anybody can say what they want. I think I can remember vividly when they called me, Governor Ezioku called me, or said no more payment to make it. Man, I heard from Aku when they were talking about the payment, which now Aku told me that he has settled everything about bills. Governor Ezioku said, Buzogam saying that now you must to go out.
Hey!
Mana Aku also told me that na yawa Aku for all those things. Na noga ogara bianwu, but no fa. No Ibadan, no him disolobitas. I was the one disturbing him. Na all these reliefs. Mana only thing not there is Jpac on his own. Ma only release here. So
okay now, because can somebody get with them that post Jpac made the very day of Tarananga? Can somebody with them and when add the ex-convict in that post? Can somebody look for that post? I must even go on. That post so made that day. Ne kelako. No one when a mad for releasing alcohol. And when go made post to attach or greet ex-convict for releasing him.
You know that they will search for the video and send to you.
No, a post. I'm a man in the screenshot or I remember having that. Because can somebody, because I'm just people screenshotted it. Now, to go on the comment section, I know that people when go and watch that post. When I get it, ex-convict there.
Hey, truth will only prevail. Highest or lies can only last for a while. Jeff, the only head the Nakabo or guy, which is Jpac, that he knows I am a play major roles na this whole thing. So nobody should have one attach na anything. Already I'm going to be involved because from the onset or from the first day.
Now these people can lie, yo.
I was the first person.
These people can lie. Hey.
So that is it. I don't want to talk.
Okay, sorry for getting you involved. Just that he mentioned your name.
I just let it. Oh, Mama. Even when the whole saga started, I'm sorry I got you involved in all this because because Jpac was disturbing me. I should call this person.
Nobody we are picking calls, so
I should call this person. So I started making calls. There are people in the Ogase. I don't make one for her there. And they were in the Ogechi Jpac almost very, very well. That played a major role for my because from that a lot of people started hearing that Jpac the arrested after almost 2 days. But from that day, Amy asked for an email but he used someone's phone. We started making arrangements about that. So I
thought 2 days. No, 2 days.
Yeah, before some people they
thank you.
But no problem. I'm not anything much to say. The only thing is that Aku is involved because he was even driving or for course or home and he was calling me then no feedback. Even when he said he would send lawyer, guy got there because a lot other
thank you. Thank you for this post. Thank you. Before then, come here. Thank you so much. And you will live long. Don't worry. Just relax. Oh, Udo? All right, Udo, thank you. Now, I want to attach. Thank you for sending me this post. Somebody sent it to me now. Chere? Oh, I send them this post now. Chere? Hold on. Send it. It's on the ground where it's supposed to be. Of course, it's under me here. Why haven't I gotten it? Okay, I'll batago. Now, watch this notes. Read this thing I'm getting here now. Read it. Read it very well. Now, read these two post here. One is from Jpac, Porsche, Akuzayon Udume, Seaman Global, Seaman CEO. Your contact remains oversized to many. Now, ex-convict have made this post about Aku picture. Yashi, you are 1,000 man put together. Thanks for standing together with Jpac for from the beginning. Ya Mary Lee Siri. This ex-convict Governor Onyoshi, just because of Jpac paid you $500,000 to come and talk rubbish, and you think Queen will shut up. You lied. It was a shame. You lied. The truth will always prevail. Ejoku na dika afime ane uchiyaka. You came out. You thank CEO Simon whatever and you also appreciated Ako. Now your friend who ESCON after yesterday, because of you were not able to deceive other people who knew who you are, who refused to collect those shishi you are promising them yesterday. They said they are not going to that you are capable of saying anything. But because of Onyago, this dry Oboroko man, this criminal dry Oboroko man that is hungry, that came out to criticize Moto because they were only signing here to say Biana commercial 1 naira moto. This demon, and dry Oboroko, believe him at your own cost. Amwa Joko, huh? Akwomenu nanyana, akwena post women. Akwena Jpac women. Now, who is lying and who is deceiving each other? Let's go back to that his useless video he made yesterday. Let's go back there. Onyoshi. Oh, motori ipita chori signing ambassador. Ambassador moto onyozo. Ye bito kasigeti wanke ago. That was how my problem started with this animal. I told him, have you contacted Nwago Afifa? And when any personal vendetta you have with Nwago, please let's take this matter inside. I even called him on his live program. I never knew that he had another agenda. Now we also promote Uramoto to destroy Nwago. He never problem on Egypt. Because this person can never be trusted. They are betrayers. Trust them at your own risk. Listen to their lies. Listen. Idiota. Chere.
I don't really know what happened.
Lies upon lies. No truth.
So, Senator said, okay, I should hold on. I don't know what he was trying to do, but I noticed that the call was on hold. Either he was on call or something, or a call came into his phone.
Lies.
The call dropped. Shortly, he called back.
Senator Ifeanyi, may your soul keep resting in peace. He was not involved in that release. I could send his lawyer. I could make contacts. Senator Ifeanyi did not contact this criminal. You know, one of these bandits, one of this Oporoko head, the head of Ndoboroko. The head of Ndoboroko. Senator Ifeanyi, we are not able to be reached. Let me repeat exactly so he can go to for what I said. And I'm not lying with 2 other persons, who include Alisa. Because Alisa my right hand man. You all are Ogechi. I added one person or I told me I had the person wouldn't put mad. The person was trying to reach another person. The what I go? Onya hano available. Onya home travel. So we were able to reach the drive onya. Yashi no gano no hunya and na phone nke ya no na aga. Gemakwa mente. And thank God that to warn you not to mention Bishop Ozubru again. because you want to come and add him. Thank God they want you. They have called you. I went them the message yesterday that they called you to stay away. That Ogechi did not mention Bishop Ozobro. Thank God that they called you. Try it again. Katonda mabuogi. Ichori kokote shioje nine. Ikobi tiaro. That chobone gazogi. Choma sympathy. Choma nige megi edegi sympathy for where? Now, you called Anya Onyahu Odogu Nona Ozobro. Onohoya, he was not able, we were not able to reach him. Anya Onyahu, you were busy. Remember, First Lady Kuria, that all try for everybody. Then First Lady Onyo Biya Bataranako. Enonia, Mba Ozi, Mba Shizi, Mba Henos in a line. Mashia. Apa Ifanyo Bakoya wan Belorogi last time pony. Yashimbo Mbamba na Magaleba. No one more or enter help Yashap who go to Nico to Lanare. No every time I drama to help Yashap who go to La. Is I will meant who that this world can never and then when witnesses and when evidence. Okay, why you not going to Potana? Bireto actually not if I did not get involved in this case. Lie. They were not able to call him because Osha or liar. So case but this Toro Oboroko, this criminal in 500,000. Yabe case which day and when God is the qualifying over. I could send his lawyer. I could send Jpac the first money $500,000 naira. Second money, 350. Then, many double. Yashi Jpac, ya return one. Now, go with the money. Now, the money came twice. Yashi okay, ya return the other 350,000. Jpac has no problem. Come saho, abataram na. But till today, Jpac have not returned that money. Let him come and swear. If I'm lying against him, can this animal in your go 500,000? Putara. Biana Toashi with his Oboroko dry face. And people were believing this monster. People were believing this animal one or madana or ex-convicts. Ojo to ana homage. Ojo to ana kapian wumaka. Ana majoge. Why are you a liar? Why are you a blatant liar? Why are you a pathological liar? You demon, because of 500,000. So all the content creators refused the offer. You took it and came out to make yourself a useless human being. Why are you useless? Why is it that money can buy you, you can betray, you can snitch at any given minute? Why? Can him an honesty? Can him an integrity? Can him an dignity? Why do you guys able in a second, in a minute, you have a little money? I could save you. You came out and made this post. Why didn't Jpac acknowledge you as all this narrative you made here? You can, if I knew but we are not Jpac said, hell fucking no. No, that time I will telephone you. Thank God, and when somebody like First Lady, that the woman that stood for you when everybody deserted you, the woman that take all your fears like 10 times, a woman that carries your problem on her head. A woman that carries your problem on your head, that you later disappointed. A woman who more than regard saw you with the first number on your gabo. Without this First Lady, it carrying on anga, it carrying on that place. But the First Lady reached out to her. I could show okay, na no far, na lepa hiyo game. Woke me hiyo jiridiri. Oya kena we deflected. Oya ka this so that want everybody to see him as somebody. Now, a deflected nobody. Oh, in fact, I'm telling you, whenever you want to address a cool picture, and gang one of that deflected person, he won't get Meggy. I don't know why you are too afraid to mention his name, to put his picture. Tishi tinye picture ndeka. I don't know why. Tinye picture yana. Can't you address him? When I want to address you, I put your picture. You know that I'm talking to you because you can't do shit. I will even show you. Because anybody can answer Ogechi Okeke Vow. Anybody can answer ex-convicts. Anybody can answer anybody. Put my picture and address me. That's what makes you a real man. And that's what makes you a real woman. That what makes you that you're not a coward. That you can face any challenge. You got to go? Simple. Jpac to my grave to today till morning. You guys are not even fighting the message. You guys are fighting the messenger because I will get you. And I must stand my stand till tomorrow. Till tomorrow, to the next world, to another day, to another. Even if you wanna Ali Lishimu, he says Jpac, he said what? I will repeat it over because on can I ring him na my ear. Can I ring him na my ear that very day. Na wow. So yeah, got the man in name. Yashahum. Na mama kwa ho. Ni chenia on name and all for free. You told me. And I maintain my works. And they want to evidence. Any day, any time. But I know I'm ready to tell the world the truth. So, ihe onye na abia na swear. Nwedipa Patrick Oba jiri get involved. Now this your release. Ako was your savior. Ako came for you. Ako nyere ego ya. Ako potara lawyer. Ako made contact. And you acknowledge it. You appreciated Ako. You even Odo to be appreciated Ako. So why are you, after collecting 500,000 that he's promising other content creators that want a conscience, that want to hold their dignity, that are go like you, they decided to menagene, not to take funding and hold their integrity. The same thing in Meregiji happened because you wanted I could give you money. I could give you 50,000. You expected 200,000. I could give you 1 million. You expected 3 million. I could give you 500,000. This is exactly the problem. Make una tell the world because I'm not here one problem, you know. As soon as no one stand and tell the truth, I will always come out here to tell the world you a liar. You are a snitch. You are a hungry bastard. You are a criminal. You are a thief. You are anybody can buy you with 1 naira, 2 naira, 3 naira. You are not man enough. You want the guts to stand with your to have ethics and principle. You lack it. And when you lack ethics, principles. You don't have values. Nothing. Now you came your program yesterday. You started castigating us. Now get up with Ifeanyi was not involved in this case. Because Jpac refused to contact him. Thank God that I asked him that question that day. Why didn't you contact Ifeanyi? Let him come and swear. Now, let him come and swear with the unborn children. You guys can only deceive the gullible ones. Guys, click love and like and share this video. Click love and like and share. At least I thank God you was on call that day. And when evidence, and when witnesses. Emma, you don't have secrets. You talk, that is why when you akokoge, they always pattern the way they talk. Nuna ga no eri di langa value lam ge shimba. Nge wurwan kala ge mage do. Gono mwan ana abakodosa. But then we diri he mere ge wan the bad. Ana ara ge ni ike. Here make it bad. Ana ginike. And there are many men see before this wedding. Ima many homes you went before this wedding. Ima how many nights you spent and collected material before this your wedding. You know, to an extent you have to rent your wife for 5 days. Do you guys knew information yesterday when I got this information about Abraham in a meeting but I'm the content creator? Do you guys know that all Jpac push one year me pana and I choke a trend? If I lie, let me not see tomorrow. Jpac, come and swear anything in my bag. Do you know that all Jpac ukwanyu na one year na me pana ya na choke trend ya na choke wedding ya trend ya very well. That picture, Jpac was the first person that posted it. Now his WhatsApp. The picture that made the picture to start going viral. So the people jisiri and even ex-convict they are wearing him. Let him swear with that is Shanamite. More than aware this story I'm telling you now. You want to go? Now, ex-convict and aware, why would you shake your women, your wife, Farah, go trend here? Come and swear with your channel. The truth. Jpac was the one that planned. Like this. That very day I was making this video. There is nothing like emergency gown. There is nothing like I just receive it now. Jpac. Even yesterday they were telling me that I said I'm aware. I need not to be told. So but the thing what the negative reaction, Jpac where. He thought that okay with a positive reaction. People other bloggers say Bruce Yagawa. That was when the thing hits him. Jpac come and swear if Ogechi Okeke you am na man at challenge. G on your born children man temuramo. So the yesterday receive no call name this on arrangement. The person they mashia amam. Mbep share in my program mbem conductor ana wanya yemaroye. She there is no how. A woman nigga or get test gown or gay. Wisdom. You may use your wisdom. You don't just because people want to leave you alone. How many people can have praka on their own wedding? How many people can have praka on their own? You told your wife because of that who got a shower. Number 1 capital. A shower brand new. 5 days before wedding. For 2 million. Did you believe me or not? Don't worry. Okay, Ogechi evidence. And my bear. Him choroka Jpac and one year me pen. I will scatter them. Let me tell you, I had a shower and some useless people saying, Ogechi, go to Ogechi, you will regret it. Go to, you see me? I am the only person I take people's secret to grave. But as well as Jpac came out to accuse Zion ministry, Barry Penty, Epico be black and blue, indirectly, directly. Jpac will never have peace. As far as no, Jpac bring information ne buterani. Now flipped to say na bagaya go with poison on them mother go betray people. Jpac will never have peace. There are some boundaries you don't cross. So all these useless are shower na pona. They're saying go to Ogechi and receive it. I don't betray friends. But I may destroy any chameleon. I may destroy people in Jibeha. Yes. Anybody that will tell you, go to Ekipolan friends. And when you're not Dr. Fortunate. When people came out with propaganda on this blue app, I stood by him, still standing back. I'm going to have a problem inside. But he's a man of integrity and a man of honor. Hello? Hello? There. Mbao, ex-convict pụtara yesterday na-atụgide m ashị na-atụgide ihe niile mere ashị ebe ha chọrọ irezi ya like this Jpac emena m ya ka echi ahụ na ihe ahụ e gbara m emena m ya ka echi but why unu ji chimapụ ya ọ dị ịma ihe o mere yesterday ọ gara gada ndị content creator nye ex-convict 500,000 ka ọ bịa gbama m wụọ but Imana so made a meeting yesterday within the content creators. Okay, I'm so bad. Alright. Time I finish, you go the ex-convicts. Can finish, you go this ex-convicts. I go in, mama. Can get face. Ebe hasla map go digi. Can map go that one for now. But you know this ex-convict, that 500,000 on yeregi. Ije puta. I'm a berry giga. Iga collect yana come next time. Anytime that has to do with you want to come and lie under this surface. You cannot tell yourself the truth. Let's listen to your lies.
I now explained to him. He said, which police?
Okay, bye-bye.
I explained to him again for the second time.
Otila.
Senator said he is not in the country, but I should.
Child.
Where am I? I said, I am there.
This man can lie just because of 500,000. Hey.
He said, okay, I should hold on.
And the ex-convict, actually, Beji or Shanamite. Doishi that the only son I have. She in Jpac go to come and talk rubbish here. Come, I want you to come out and swear. I want you to come out and swear. Then go to come and lie with your under this your nose. Now you go collect them. Now you go collect them woto. Now you go face them.
Shortly, I waited and waited and waited. It didn't come. So I got back
Criminals.
to the place again.
Criminals.
To enter inside again. They were trying to collect the phone again from me. I stopped the phone. I dropped the phone. Anytime I am on live section, any ugly or stupid comment, I'll block the person immediately. Because this is the moment you wanted to hear.
Oh, my brother, welcome.
Because I needed to say something. So they tried to collect the phone again. I dropped the phone at the counter again. The entrance. Remember how zone 2 command is? There's only one road through which you can enter.
Lying son of bitches.
The only opens when
lying
senior police officer.
This man not watching.
So I passed through that small place again and went back again and met Supo Owalaka again. The man wrote something on a piece of paper and gave to me. As she showed them, they will allow me to enter with the phone. I entered with the phone. I came there and submitted that paper. Upon my entering again for the second time, they now put Jpac up to the office of the AIG. Which implies that the senator must
exactly. I swear.
So that was when I now met with the AIG.
Okay.
Right in his office. So the AIG said what happened. While he was asking, Jasmine was not there already. Jasmine was still on her way coming to come and prosecute her case before the police then the matter will proceed to court because her lawyer was still insisting that the matter should be taken to court. So while we wait for Jasmine, the AIG had no time. You know how busy the Assistant Inspector General of Police should be. So the man now said, I have heard from his senator, the Jpac's senator, the senator representing Jpac's zone. The man now thought I was advising Jpac. Be very careful. You must not bring in prominent people into this kind of cases. How do you think the man will feel? This was the man's advice. He now instructed the SUPO, the senior SUPO, not even Owalaka, the commander of the team. He said, grant him bail to a suitable hand and somebody that will bring him. The next statement that proceeded out of the mouth of the man, he's still alive. I will not, God forbid. I met with them. I did not submit bill of loading about three bill of loading of my containers to show that I'm not running away. I submitted a copy of my CAC and 2 copies of my passport picture. A copy of my international passport. If you don't see these things, there.
Oh my God.
That Governor is a liar. The full of Jpac handset was with me.
Jesus Christ.
So where on earth, at which space did Jpac have access to his phone to call anybody?
Inano, did you hear him? Did you hear this?
Somebody commented. Let me respond before I block you.
Did you hear this old change 500,000 to come and call you?
Jpac is my senior for the very first time I'm telling
Imagine.
you. And I don't want to tell you my exact age.
Imagine.
Jpac is my senior.
Inano?
Then Jpac is not my organ.
Jpac, your senior. Jpac look this fresh. Look at. Jpac look this fresh. Jpac is your senior. But you look like Oporoko. Jpac is your senior. Jpac look this fresh. I'm here fresh. I'm what is fresh in Ahoya. Jpac look this fresh. But I'm sure them happen. Jpac, you look this fresh. While you look like a dry stockfish. Eh? Jpac is your senior. That means you need something is wrong. That means so your jaw and your frustration are dry. Look at Jpac. You just war something. Sorry, no, I'm happy for now.
Jpac is my friend and brother. So you are blocked from this page immediately. That's you. That's you again. Can I see? Somebody should help me.
Jpac, you get look as a great grandpa. Jpac is your senior.
Can comment here? Can comment here?
Come on.
You can get for comment here. Okay, you are blocked from this page immediately. More of them, please. I want to see many more of them.
Guys, now share the page, y'all. Now share this program because very soon now they will be reporting it. Came back in my life, they will be reporting it. Share it. And I journey at home.
That one.
They don't take eyes.
So Jpac's phone was still with me. If there was need to answer call, forget all these Galadima noises on the internet. I was the one who signed the bail bond. I was the one. Of which I think.
Did you hear what he said? He didn't finish that lie. He did not finish that lie. These bandits. Who paid the money? Who sent his lawyer? Let me go back a little bit. Go to Ghana. Okay?
Loading of my containers to show that I'm not running away.
Okay.
I submitted a copy of my CAC and 2 copies of my passport picture. a photocopy of my international passport. If you don't see these things there, know it that Governor Zope is a liar. The phone of Jpac handset was with me.
So pay attention.
At which space did Jpac have access to his phone to call anybody again? Somebody commented, let me respond before I block you. Chinwo Dora, he says, stop playing boy to your junior brother Jpac. Jpac is my senior. For the very first time, I'm telling you. And I don't want to tell you my exact age. Jpac is my senior. Then Jpac is not my oga. Jpac is my friend and brother. So you are blocked from this page immediately. That Chinwo. Can I see that Chinwo again? Can I see? Somebody should help me tag. That's Iwatro. Let me block you immediately. Hi, can you comment on ya? Can you comment here? Can you comment here? You can get for comment here.
You can see shit.
Okay. You are blocked from
you are blind man. You can't see comments.
Them, please. I want to see many more of them.
The only thing I got what small girls. It's your two.
Many of them
it's
I
your
want to see them. I still block him. I blocked that one. So Jpac's phone was still with me. If there was need to answer call, forget all these Galadima noises on the internet. I was the one who signed the bail bond. I was the one. Of which I think the next day, I think Senator Michagora said, no, na Jpac you go my JK lady.
You know the thing, it went to the pit.
Jpac, so one-on-one away, J. All those Galadimas that were making noise on the social media, none of them came there before God and man. None of them. That phone was with me before God Almighty.
Dana shit.
I was the one who signed. I was the one who begged him.
You was the one that did all this, but Jpac never come online and say, please, I appreciate you. But he appreciated people that we hey. So that means Jpac did not value all your effort. And you did not come and write the big writer. You didn't come and write and tell us, oh, I was there. I did all this. He better, okay, now you have to pay. No, but you acknowledge another person with a picture. No water, dog. Make with the lesson.
I am at the same time, underline my words. I am not in support of Jpac. Iba Jasmine War. I am not in support of Jpac. He posed to anything or quote anything against the late father of Ogechi Okeke Vow. God forbid.
Thunder Babuogi. For even saying that, may you die a miserable death. Any day you open your mouth to speak to my favor, may you die. May you at any day you ever speak anything positive in my life, may that positive turn to scatter your life. Who asks you whether you are in support or you're not in support? Remember, people, don't you ever in your entire generation and ever give me any fucking credit. Go happy scatter. Who the fuck are you? Whether you like it or you don't like, who the fuck? How many times have you put on another page you belong where you people are sharing women nude, where you go and derive joy and click like? Or you baby Jimpama Baga War? Weren't you their member? Are you not in that group? Oh, you want to say it so people will start clapping for you? Should I get more go? Spiritually. You want to come and be a good person? To who? To those idiots that are watching you. You want to play a good role now. How many times have you watched them molest my father, the group, the page you among them, you click love and like and follow their pages? Then they tag you, don't you see it? How many times have you come out to come against it? For speaking anything, whether you're in support or you're not in support. I'm not talking about Wegi. I'm not talking about Wegi. May you sleep, never wake up. Ebiara, you want to come and deceive who? The good, and nothing stuff. Usu manipulated demon like you. A job more. Now, Oneki they deceive. Oneki they deceive. Oh, is that what gave you the right to say peace? Riela.
And I will never be.
Shut up.
In support of such dirty acts.
Unyara.
Whether it's coming from Ogechi, whether it's coming from Jpac.
May you never live to see anything good that will come out of anything you saw in this life. So now today you don't see them. When now what don't they come? When now I don't they talk how everything started. So my father did not curse me again. So my father did not fucking curse me again. So you did not hear from me again that I'm sure my father raped me. You did not hear from me again. You're not a member where I said my father raped me, where I locked my father up. You're no longer a monk. You want to come and talk? Can you tell you this penti bastard to you? Me turn the babugi. No, woman, there so heke. Top blind jagged that for remaining one eye. And can I be deceived? Who the fuck do you want to fucking deceive more? That all today came when my father corpse now by a war. All today came nati. All today came their way. Respect on go. Don't problem I get you enemy. Let's remain an enemy for the rest of our life. Who is this one? Who is this one?
Will never be a party to mock
them. Because you want to use Senator Ifeanyi to get wings. Now you are talking about the death. You want to use Senator Ifeanyi to gain wings. Now you're talking about the death. Now you're beginning to be against the death. Hey! Oluwa. Now you want your so-called useless idiot frustrated woman shower that prostituted them lives. Men like you are busy using our women as the monument of their job. What have you done and said about it? You want to come and say, you're not about an idiot to visit? Oh, he's a nice person. I saw people commenting, go onto the platform to me and make peace. But you never try come to me own. Try smell like what you smell and near me. Look at saints who want to come and play a saint card, an innocent card. Oh, I'm not against the dead. I'm against the dead. You're not supposed to use them. When I can brainwash. Who are you brainwashing? Who are you trying to manipulate? Do you know that we reason each other? Come on, deceive this your useless. You follow me in a court, a jot on one, a miss caricature. And you kept deaf ear like you have not seen it. Ogechi is bitter. Yes, I am bitter. Very bitter. Very, very bitter. Complete one. And don't him just show me. Because when you are dealing bitter, will not deal with all of you. I am really bitter. Is on that bitter is an understatement. Guys, click love and like. Oh, bitter. I am completely bitter. Yes. Serious one. Oh, it didn't have way. Very, very bitter is of night smith. Yeah. Very warm. Oh, you're just learning that I'm bitter today. I thought you should have known for now. Click love and like. Oh, ex-convict in our report her. Always share this program. Because I know home.